That shit is heavy. Oh, fanciest bit of bloody tube I've seen. Time to thread this. Oh, bloody net. Over that, under that, over that, under that, and dangle down as low as the dangly bits. Bloody net. Sit back, pray it works. Oh, it's a bit one-sided. Go you far. Try again. Go, 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 go. Go. Fuck! You roll. Let's try adjusting the brake off a bit. Shit, fat boy. Come on. That tub's a fucking charm. Been deafing with the road, you bitch. Going. 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 Yeah, ignore that on the rotor. I've had a bad day. Not today, but... Oh, thank fuck. Good bell. I don't fuck off down the hill. Please. Stop. Whew. Rappy, rappy. Next one. Will you go? Go, 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 go. Whoa! Oh, it's better. Fucking that. That keeps coming up. It's irritating. And rappy, rappy. Anyway, about the Baler, it's new to me, not very new, but new to me. KRONE, COMPRIMA CF155XC. Obviously, C means combi, F means fixed, 155 biggest bell diameter, which is 5 foot. XC means it's got knives, scissors. But yes, no, makes those round things, which hopefully don't all fuck off down into that valley. Good bells. You stay there, bells. That makes a fucking good bell. There's some, I'm going to set 20%, but ignore that, have it on manual going. Will it come up? Will it come up? Are we getting a bell any day soon? Come on, give us a bell. It puts a lot into a bell. Keep going, keep going. Keep calm and bell on. There you go, you get a little indicator at the top as well to tell you left and right on the swath a bit. When it starts reading. We come around here where it's a little bit level. And we can press that button and make it go whee! You go. Got a little mat there so it doesn't puncture the bells. We've got some hard stubble. But yeah, look, I'm slightly off. So when I come into this line, I will stay one-sided. She'll level herself up. I'm not skilled. I'm not skilled. No, I'm unskilled. I'm going the wrong way. There we go. There we go. There we go. In the middle. Now I've gone too far. That way a bit. Oh god, now I've got too much in a bell. Oh, that'll do, pig. That'll do. Net, please. Please, net. Please, net. Good net. Good. Good net. Good netting. Netting. Press U. Whee! There's a bale. Oh, it's bloody. It's not spreading there. Oh. Move. Yeah, that beeps a lot. I don't know why there's a bloody fault. It thinks the pickup's slipping. But yeah, it makes bales though. And then I've some tractors nearly. Yeah, it's a good baler. Very good baler. Look at the bale. Very good bells, very good bells. I think that one I dumped is still there. Yes, it is. Good. Yeah, it's fun up there. Try and drop them, roll them into each other. That's a good one. Ah. But yeah. Now I'm going to pop the pickup up. No, I'm not, because it's got a really good pickup. It will just swallow grass. You just drive and it just goes in and does bale things. It's like obscenely good. I haven't bought it yet. I've done many bells now. What have I done? 2. Oh, and a whole bloody roll of net. What's that, 250, 300? Yeah, good baler, very good baler. Hopefully we'll make